For decades, search engines provided a list of 10 blue links. Today, AI platforms ingest billions of pages and output a single synthesized answer. This creates a new requirement for digital visibility. If an AI agent doesn't cite your brand, your business effectively does not exist. The traditional method of gaining visibility relies on building schema.org JSON-LD. JSON-LD provides a structured map of a website's information to search engines. For a single page, writing this code manually takes 2 to 4 hours. Manual coding cannot scale. AI agents ignore the unstructured text on a standard website. They rely exclusively on machine-readable entity graphs, complex networks of data that are nearly impossible to build by hand for an entire domain. Without an automated way to structure this information, brands lose their presence in AI results. This leaves the business vulnerable to AI models hallucinating false information about their services when no structured data is available to correct them. SCHEMA MONKEE acts as the automated bridge between website content and the data structures AI demands. It utilizes Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Unlike traditional SEO, which targets page rankings, GEO focuses on securing direct citations within AI-generated answers. The platform automatically builds an interconnected, machine-readable knowledge graph for the entire site. This completely eliminates the human coding bottleneck. Brands can now provide structured, verified facts directly to AI search engines. Processes that once required hours of manual labor are now finished in 15 to 30 seconds. A 5-agent AI pipeline powers this. Agent 1 strips visual clutter to extract clean text. Agents 2 and 3 map entities, like people or products, to schema.org categories. Agents 4 and 5 generate JSON-LD code and validate it against search standards. This pipeline converts raw website content into a structured data format that AI systems can instantly understand. For franchise networks, relying on an AI's interpretation of a brand is a liability. Factual errors and naming inconsistencies across hundreds of local pages can lead to brand dilution. Force architecture and the 1PL protocol address this by replacing AI interpretation with brand enforcement. Using the binary sovereignty flag, the system bypasses the language model for critical data, locking the corporate identity into the schema as an immutable source of truth. This mathematically points every local franchise node back to the parent brand, securing the entity authority chain. The system differentiates authority nodes for owners and expertise nodes for agents to maximize EEAT signals. EEAT is a framework used by search engines to assess the credibility and trustworthiness of a business or author. Force architecture ensures the same verified brand data is applied across thousands of pages simultaneously. Historically, structured data was passive. You placed it on a page and waited weeks for a crawler to find it. SCHEMA MONKEE now functions as a native web MCP provider. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard that allows AI models to interact with external data sources and tools in real time. AI agents can query the website's knowledge graph directly. When a user asks a question, the agent instantly highlights the entity relationships required for an accurate answer. Through the Generate Schema Patch feature, these agents can even propose real-time improvements to the website's data structure. This makes the website an active, authoritative source within the broader ecosystem of AI agents. Transitioning to this automated pipeline results in a 99% reduction in costs compared to manual schema work. Websites using this system achieve an 80% or higher eligibility rate for Google-rich results. Most importantly, it drives an 85% increase in direct citations from generative AI engines. SCHEMA MONKEE provides the foundational infrastructure needed to manage complex brand data at scale. It functions as the architecture for a new web, ensuring brands remain cited, verified, and usable within the systems that now answer the world's questions.